last video of the Chinese BMW F850GS Adventure. This was new approved, only 1,000 miles straight from BMW. Came with warranty and all that, but this bike's been 100% reliable. How great is that? Nothing's gone wrong. It's been reliable, which is great. Even though these are built in China, they're still a premium, so it's nice that at least it lives up to that. Anyways, this is going. This is a little owner's thought before it goes. Now, a couple of things that I did find them asthmatic, so I put on this link pipe, and it sounds lovely now, a bit more raw. Huge positive. The seat's quite comfortable. The reason I bought this bike is I wanted to be in comfort for many miles on the road. I don't off-road. I wouldn't buy a big machine like this to go off-road. I want something comfortable for miles. It's not a garage queen, it's used. And I did find it a bit vibey, this engine, so I put on some grip puppies for 14 quid. Absolutely fine now. I messed around with a few like GPS brackets, because normally it's here. I'm uncomfortable with the thought of looking down, so I like it at the top. So I got this BMW services bracket, and it's the best one. I tried a couple. It's been great. These screens do get nicked. For 20 quid you can buy a metal bracket. That just gives them one more hoop to jump through. If they want it, they'll have it, but that's the way I see it. I love the suspension. Big front wheel soaks up, especially the British roads, which are terrible. It soaks up the roads so well. It's like going down the road on a cloud. It's very comfortable. And this is the T factory low. One of the only like upgrades that wasn't picked is the electric suspension, which is good. I had them fail in the past. I prefer a manual. I can just adjust it very quickly by hand. I prefer that. One less thing to go wrong. So yeah, you sit in the bike rather than on it. I like that. You're very covered. Great resistance against the elements when you're going down the road. It's like being in a bubble in a pod when you sit here. That part's great. When you're moving along, that's where it shines. As long as it's not off-road. It weighs 1/4 ton, nearly. Like I can't imagine taking this off-road. It's ridiculous. And where it fails, even on the road, is that it weighs a lot, but where the weight is, all the weight's at the top. It's so top heavy. The amount of times that I have cursed pushing this around, maneuvering it, or being on it, trying to get it in and out of places, or slipping on a bit of gravel because the weight's gone sideways. It's been, on that behalf, that's where this bike fails, and I think it's why you don't see videos of people using them off-road, or it hasn't really taken off. It's just kind of like, yeah, this bike, on paper, it should be like awesome and up there, but it just isn't. And the years have proved it, and that's the reason why it's so top heavy. It's just not a pleasure to use, and that's why I'm moving this on. It didn't make me want to just like get my gear on and go. It was always, I can't be done. I can't be done with it. Pulling it about. I'm average height, average strength. I'm just an average guy. Wouldn't call myself weak, but this is way too much for me. I had the previous version with the tank underneath the seat, and that was genius. It feels like they went backwards. I bought this as an upgrade, and it felt like a huge downgrade. I've not enjoyed it. I'm not comfortable with them building them in China, but still charging me a premium. I think that's a bit underhand. I did know that before I bought the bike, yeah? But after everything, it's just, that's how I feel about that. I'm not going to support that on a personal level anymore. But hey, if I wanted a reliable, good-looking, quality bike that was really top heavy and a bit of a faff to use, I guess this is what I'd buy. Anyways, goodbye BMW for now. And I really hope they go back to using clever placing of tanks and stuff like that. But anyways, that's enough. Would I buy one again? No. Would I recommend it? No. But I tell everybody, if you're considering something, try it for yourself. It's the best way to know if something's for you or not. And good luck. Ride safe.